color number 2. Color number 2. We also have color number 3. If you need, we can contact us.
Only a few pieces and ready for shipping. Please contact us. Other regular products we have all colors for choosing. You can see many colors. You can send the pictures to us, the picture of your hair. We will find the right color for you. And please contact us anytime. We are ready for you. This one is injection.
This piece is injection. It is made by handmade. We can see this piece very soft. We can see hairline. Hairline is very visible, right? And these knots are very small and invisible, right? This hair length is 15 centimeters.
This one is longer. This one is 20.
20.
Injection tuber, we have long hairs.
Yeah.
This is his. Those are all hand injection.
Two system based are same, but this hair length is 30 centimeters, and this system hair length is 20 centimeters.
I love this one, but our clients, men, for men, they like this one. Feels good too. Color 3. This is color 17. Color 17. This is our color 3.
We noted these systems by our best hairs.
Hi everybody. Next week we will show our promotion products again, and after this we will say goodbye to you. Small nose, strong base with the skin, with NPU all around. It is very easy to use. The price is very good price. Please contact us. See you next time.
We hope everyone have a good time. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Dear.
I and my partner is firstly leave. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Hello. See you next time.
哪个呢？
这个差好。用保存之类的吗？用保存呀。
保存什么呀？
就是它这有一个保存精彩基金，直接
那保存。